Hey guys, welcome back to the Weiss Life. We are doing some fun stuff today. Good morning, Gabrielle.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. How are you, Gwen?
Good.
Good. And Gemma, oh, she just left the room, but she's been doing some artwork and music. Melissa and I have to run out. This camera's been acting up a bunch, so we have to get a new camera quick. And then I think we have to stop and get something else. So as long as these places aren't busy, like it's the middle of the week, pretty early. You want to say here? Say hi?
Hi.
Hi. How old are you, Gemma?
3.
How about 3? Good. What do you?
This one.
You're almost 4. That's next.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm 3.
And who got their toenails painted?
Me.
You. And those look great. They look very nice. So they're going to be hanging out a little bit. Melissa and I have to run out quick. We're going to run a couple errands. And we'll catch up with you guys out in the car.
And we're in the car. We actually already ran into Best Buy and grabbed the camera, and we just got another one of the cameras that we currently use.
Yeah, so there's a Mark II out, but it's sold out everywhere, and we really kind of need it because we've had some little bit of issues with like the autofocus and stuff. Well, this is kind of awkward because that camera is shooting its replacement. But yeah, this has been really good. It's pretty good at tracking and stuff. We like it a lot. There's a couple different brands you can use, but we've really always used the Canon, so we're sticking with it.
In the same parking lot of our Best Buy, there's actually like a Nordstrom Rack and a Marshall's and like a Carter's, I think, in here. A bunch of like clothing stores. So we're gonna try to run in right now real quick and see what we can find for some upcoming family photos. We have like an outside family photo shoot scheduled for like 2 weeks from now, and I'm always struggling with like what to dress everybody in. I think it's hard. It makes it harder having like all girls because like you don't want them to be matching exactly, but then trying to find things that like go together but that are different.
So yeah,
Ugh.
6 different girl outfits that all correlate.
I know, it's like so hard. So we're gonna try to do that, and then we're gonna get back and start setting up for our gender reveal party that we're really excited about.
Nice.
We got all the decorations out, so we're gonna be doing that as soon as we get home.
So we're kind of doing it here. Picked out a lot of similar colors.
Like this is cute, right?
That is really
This
cute.
will just, there's also like something like this for Gemma, which I think is really cute, like with a little sweater. There's like a little black sweater. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just trying to pull together like different colors to see
What'll work
could
together, yeah.
I kind of like the idea of like something like this with like denim and navy.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you guys think?
There's a lot of choices here too. Like, look at all these, like, these look very pinky to me, like peachy.
Yeah, I really like this color. Like, I think this is really fun, but I can't really find anything else that
We'll go
goes
with it. Yeah.
I know, that's like the struggle. So we're still looking. And we're out of there. 3 bags full of stuff for the girls. Hopefully they like it. And we're home now. I think we ended up with some really great options for the kids. Jeff and I still need to figure out like what we're gonna wear, but it's so much easier once we've kind of established what all the kids are gonna do. So I'll show you guys real quick the stuff I picked out. So we ended up with a few options for Gemma. There's a navy blue dress, a little gray jumper, and a pink dress. This kind of like burgundy sweater for Gracelyn, and this pink one for Gwen, and the gray one for Gretchen. And then Gabrielle's gonna do kind of like a layered thing with this really pretty navy tank top and an ivory sweater. Gemma is super excited because we got her this little tie-dye, like kind of little lounge outfit also, and it's like the cutest on her. Do you wanna show everybody the balloons? These are the balloons I was telling you guys about earlier. Which are almost done. There's a couple gaps that we're gonna be filling in with even bigger balloons. Like there's one there and another one up there. Are you excited for the baby party?
Uh-huh.
Do you think it's a baby boy or a baby girl?
A baby girl.
You think it's a baby girl?
Yeah.
These are the rest of the gender reveal party decorations that we're gonna put up today. Really excited to start doing that here in a minute. What are you doing? Are you helping Dad?
A storm's a brewing. So actually on the highway on the way home, I don't know if Melissa told you guys, but there was a big sign that said like severe storm, 7 o'clock. So we don't have a, like I kind of straighten this up back here, put away any of like the little extra pillows. I kind of batten down the hatch on the hot tub there. Everything is pretty much out of the backyard. And even over here, and I even took the wind chime down. Kind of tucked everything in the best I could. We had a windstorm last year that even blew this like 6 inches over. Not that big a deal, but a little bit of me is afraid that like a monster gust would like flip it, and we were gonna anchor it down, but then they were like, oh, if you anchor it, it's gonna crack your new cement. So it was kind of a whole thing, and I don't feel like it's a huge threat that it's gonna flip our whole thing over, but it could, and that would be terrible. So there's that. And Gemma has been playing in this tent in the backyard, but this for sure would get blown and flipped and all that stuff. So I got it safe inside the house right now, okay?
So these are the balloons I was telling you guys about earlier.
Oh yeah.
I think they turned out really good. The company that came and set these up is awesome, and they're actually coming back to deliver like the big gender reveal balloon that we're gonna pop. It's gonna have confetti inside.
Oh, nice.
And then we're gonna add in a couple larger balloons to this too to kind of fill the gaps. I'm really excited. I think she's coming today. If she's not coming today, she's gonna come tomorrow. But we have a lot of other decorating to do. So I think, honey, I need your help because we got these like streamers. And I'm thinking I want to put them like here, kind of how we did for that birthday party we had for Gemma.
Yeah.
And I probably shouldn't stand on a ladder.
Yeah, no, you should never stand on a ladder.
Well, you know, just trying to keep baby safe. So I can cut them, but I need you to like
string them up. Got it.
Yeah.
I did it.
Turned out pretty cute. Actually, it took less than 10 minutes, and Jeff taped them all up there, and I taped the bottom. But I think it turned out pretty cute. I think I'll definitely get this kind of crepe paper with like the frayed edges again. It takes exactly 2 packages to cover the whole thing. So
I feel like it's almost too much coverage. I feel like you could do like half as much. You almost covered the whole mirror.
We could have spaced it out a little more.
I feel like next time we space it out a little more. I guess you can kind of see in there. But I think spacing it out would be a better move. Oh, it looks cool from the side though.
Does it?
It's cool.
Taking a break.
How you doing, honey?
I'm tired. I'm just tired all the time. I'm only like 20 weeks. I have 20 more weeks to go. Actually, not 20 weeks, because I will only go to like 39 weeks at the latest.
Oh yeah.
So 19. So I'm more than halfway there.
You're doing great.
But I'm just tired and cranky
So
all the time.
Did you already say we were going to decorate this wall because this is like an abandoned?
Yes. So we have an idea.
Let me move back.
Let me
Get up, and I guess we'll look. So we can show you guys what we're gonna do. Again, Jeff's gonna have to stand on something to do this. But we got these like,
They're like doorway.
yeah,
things.
like they're like 3 feet wide, like each one. And so we got 2 pink and 2 blue, so it's 12 feet. And that wall is 12 feet.
So we'll just do like pink, blue,
I think so.
and it'll be all glitter wall.
Yeah, well, it's not, I mean, it's not gonna leave glitter. It's just like, yeah.
Well, but
yes.
like glittery.
I mean,
yeah.
it'll be fun. I mean, we got these decorations. Where did we go? Party City or something?
Party City.
Or we used ones from Amazon. I don't know.
Amazon. We did
We
both.
ordered some stuff from Amazon and we got some stuff from Party City. None of it was expensive. Like, I feel like what we're doing for this party, we should do for like the kids' birthday parties. Like, wouldn't
Yeah,
that be
it's
super
cute
fun?
and fun. Yeah.
We also have to plan a big birthday party. The week that this baby's gonna be born is my birthday, Gwen's birthday, and then like the week before is Gemma's birthday. So we have to figure out what
maybe
we're
you
gonna
guys
do.
all have the same color theme.
Yeah, I'm thinking like maybe it'll be like.
Because you're gonna be super pregnant, so I'll plan it. I wonder if she'll let me plan it.
I like that you just said it like that.
So, did you guys already look at all the other decorations? So let me show you real quick, because I think we're gonna maybe try to finish decorating now, but we might not be able to decorate right now, but I wanna show you what we have. So she has the napkins, of course, and plates and forks, a couple cute balloons, like girl, and then there's boy, probably. And then there's all sorts of little things, little mustaches, pink and blue, it's a girl or boy. So as you can see, there's like all the little party supplies, and there's probably gonna be, what are they called? Melissa, what are they called when you just put stuff like on the table, like throw decor? Is that what it's called? Toss it and
Are you
leave
talking
it.
about like glitter, like confetti?
No, like if you were to like to decor this table, like toss stuff on it. Isn't that called
Like
something?
confetti or like
I
actual
guess.
stuff?
I don't know, either one, either or.
I mean, it would just be called decoration.
Okay, decorations. And also, a lot of times you fill this vase with seasonal. Oh, it's so dark. Seasonal.
And it's dusty. So the reason why it's empty is because initially, after Christmas, we put it away. I was gonna decorate for Valentine's Day, but we haven't gotten around to it yet. And now we're having the baby party, and so now I kind of feel like maybe we just nix Valentine's Day and go straight into like spring Easter.
Yeah.
I really don't know. I'm just really tired. And the idea of like completely decorating for like Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day
and Easter, and oh my god.
Like I feel like maybe just like general spring would be
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
I
I'm
don't
also
know.
looking at this video, and it's so dark because it's just early afternoon, and I don't know if you can tell, but it is super overcast. There's Willow wants to come in probably, but it's overcast. We got a storm a brewing. I think it's the calm before the storm. Stand on both feet. 1, 2, 3.
All right, so we figured out a way to do this. Slightly dangerous, but Graceland's helping out. And I think it looks pretty good. We're using little push pins. We thought it was the kind with the tape on the back, but it was not.
Push pins are better at
1, 2, 3. Push me.
It looks so cute.
Falling backwards. Okay.
Push him. So I think that's about it for decorating today. I'm getting kind of tired. We'll definitely probably do some more tomorrow. The gender reveals in like a couple days, so we have a little bit of time. If you guys aren't subscribed and you want to make sure you get notified when we post the vlog from the party and we find out what the gender is, make sure you're subbed. And also, what else is going on like this week? We have like
I don't know. Oh, we're doing Valentine. We're getting ready to do Valentine's type videos.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'm gonna do a what I got my kids for Valentine's Day little
The
video.
stuff's all set up. It's all right here. I'll hit
This is, yeah, the kids can't even. Oh. Yeah, hide it. The kids can't even see it. There's nothing under that blanket. Also, I have my 20-week ultrasound tomorrow, my anatomy scan, which normally isn't like a huge deal because we always get like the genetic testing early on. But because this pregnancy started out as twins, like I wasn't able to get any of the genetic testing. So I'm kind of anxious.
Yeah.
So that's tomorrow. Jeff can't come. So that also makes me anxious. But like, hopefully everything's going to be okay.
I'm taking Graceland to the optometrist, so I don't know, maybe we'll put a video on that, or maybe I'll story it on Instagram or something.
Yeah, so she's going to the eye doctor. We found out recently when she went to the pediatrician.
She couldn't see. I took her to the doctor, like, oh, close one eye. And they're like,
yeah.
Oh, is it a cow? No, it's
Which is really interesting, and I want to talk to the optometrist about it because last year she passed the eye test at school last year, and then this year at the pediatrician's office, so literally 8 months later, she failed. So
maybe she's getting nearsighted from too much screen time from being homeschooled.
I don't know if that's real.
Might be.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I know it's a little weird. Like I said, we're doing a lot of errands. We're getting ready for a bunch of stuff. So thanks for following along, and we're really excited about all the baby things we're going to be doing later this week. So stay tuned.